Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question for 5 marks and it's from the lesson, A Pair of Linear Equations. Now, Ananya had red, blue and yellow marbles in the ratio 4:5:3. She gave all her red marbles and some blue marbles to Neha. The ratio of the number of blue marbles and yellow marbles left with Ananya was 7:9. If Ananya gave 20 marbles to Neha, how many of them are red marbles? Show your work. Okay, so let's assume that the number of red marbles with Ananya be equal to 4x. Okay, so number of red marbles with Ananya I'm taking as equal to 4x. Now why is it 4x? Because they've given the ratio as 4:5:3. Okay, so number of blue marbles with Ananya I can take as equal to 5x. And the number of yellow marbles with Ananya I'm taking as equal to 3x. Okay, because why are we taking it as 4x, 5x and 3x? Because we know she has the marbles in this ratio 4:5:3. Okay, now number of blue marbles which Ananya gave Neha I'm taking as equal to y. And the number of red marbles which Ananya gave Neha I'm taking as equal to 4x. Now why is it 4x? Because they've mentioned here that she's given all her red marbles to, she gave all her red marbles and some blue marbles to Neha. So that's why the some blue marbles I'm taking as y and all the red marbles I'm taking as equal to 4x, because that's what we had assumed as the number of red marbles with Ananya. Okay, now they've said that the ratio of the number of blue marbles and yellow marbles left with Ananya was 7:9. Okay, now to begin with, she has 5x blue marbles, of which she gave y to Ananya. So how many will be left with her now? She has 5x minus y yellow marbles left with her. No, sorry, not yellow, blue marbles left with her. And that divided by the number of yellow marbles left with Ananya, which is 3x, is equal to 7:9. That's what they've given as the first equation, the clue to find the first equation here. The ratio of the number of blue marbles and the yellow marbles left with Ananya was 7:9. So this is what I'll get. Now let me cross multiply. So 9 times 5x minus y equal to 7 times 3x. So that's 45x minus 9y equal to 21x, which is 24x minus 9y equal to 0. Let me divide throughout with 3 and I would get 8x minus 3y is equal to 0. So that's my first linear equation. Now they've mentioned in the question also that Ananya gave 20 marbles to Neha. Okay, so how many marbles did she give to Neha? She's given some blue marbles and all her red marbles, and that totals up to 20. So 4x, that is all the red marbles, plus the sum of the blue marbles that she gave Neha, that is equal to 20. So that's our second linear equation. Now from the second equation, which is 4x plus y equal to 20, I'm finding the value of y as 20 minus 4x. Now let me put this in the first linear equation, which was 8x minus 3y equal to 0. In this, in place of y, I'm substituting 20 minus 4x. So I'm using the substitution method to solve the equation. So 20 minus 4x is equal to 0, which gives me 8x minus 60 plus 12x is equal to 0, or 20x minus 60 equal to 0, which gives me 20x is equal to 60, or the value of x now becomes 60 divided by 20, which is 3. Okay, now what was the question? In the question, they've asked you to find out how many red marbles did she give Neha. So we know that the number of red marbles she gave Neha is 4x, right? We know it is 4x. So we just have to find the value of 4x. So number of red marbles Ananya gave to Neha is equal to 4 times x, which is 4 times 3, or that's equal to 12 marbles. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.